Our investor workflow process yields efficient compliance through orderly entry of investment information, uploading, and managing investment documents. From our investor dashboard, you can invest in the latest project, fund your digital wallet, withdraw funds, manage your portfolio, and sell your interests. Our secure deal rooms provide detailed project overview, investment, sponsor, location, financial highlights, images, and legal documentation. In our four-step investment process, first select amount to invest. Review and accept acknowledgments and disclaimers. Digitally sign electronic documents. Investor information is automatically pre-filled. Select payment method, check, ACH, or wire, and finally, confirm your investment. Our comprehensive dashboard provides detailed tabs for committed capital, investments, document management, KYC, AML, and legal, messaging, transactions, view monthly statements and earnings. Capital Engine software automates the entire online investment process from investor registration, investor communication, access to deal rooms, secure document e-signing, electronic payments, and investor reporting. Our software helps leverage the opportunity to better originate and showcase a diverse selection of private capital and alternative investment deals, and offer these to investors. A comprehensive finance and investor management solution. Capital Engine powering online capital markets.